guys, Rico here. Good afternoon to you. I don't know why the rooster's crowing. Maybe daylight savings time's kind of screwed him up a little bit. Anyhow, we got a couple additions here to Base Camp Rico's place. One of which is this beautiful little puppy here. This is Daisy May. I got her November 1st. She's 3 months old. Australian Shepherd, my female. This is Odie's the brown one. He's running around here somewhere. Brown black one. This will be Odie's girlfriend, fiance, wife eventually. And then we'll have little Odie daisies running around. But she's a pretty good looking little dog. We're just in the process now of bonding. She rides well in the truck. Hasn't figured out the house training thing yet. But she's doing good. So that's one of the changes and additions here, so we're going to just set her down. Oh, mother may I. Then, the other addition I have, and I haven't introduced you to it yet, I hear Odie. Maybe he's got the cat down. Is I had a buddy of mine make me a grill. And what this grill is, and I'll move the camera around and put angles and try to show you everything as I put it together. It's 2 diesel truck rims. A couple years ago, a buddy of mine brought me 2 rims by, and he wanted to make a fire pit out of it. And I said, yeah, sketch out some ideas, figure it out, pen and pencil type thing, and we'll, hey Daisy May, and we can put something together. Well, he never had the time to figure it out. I never had the time to do it. So then another buddy of mine, we'll just call him Ray Machaca. Little guy, stands 4'3", has big old 4-wheel driver truck, this little guy, big heart though. Well, his crew needed something to do, and I said, hey, you think they could put together a grill for me? And I told him what I wanted. I said, you can internet search it. The kids in the community, they always say, search it up, and Google it, whatever. So I said, here's what I want. Diesel wheel fire pit. And I want it to look rustic and old. I want it to fit in with the base camp motif. So I gave him the rims, and he went and got some other steel and such, and got some ideas, and I'm going to show you the finished product and show you guys what it is. I think. It's good. Oh, hush. One of the things he did, and I'll get the camera. One of the things he did that I thought was cool is he made me a really good rustic door. 1/4 inch, 5/8 inch steel. Welds are rough looking. He made this latch, which is really heavy duty. So what I'm going to do, I'll move the camera around. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 parts to this thing. He tried to do it where a single guy could move the pit if he needed to. Move it around, take it camping. It's still heavy. This bottom half is pretty heavy. But one guy could muscle it up into a truck. Okay, so the first part, of course, is the base. It's the bottom rim. He wedged out, cut out a section so that this door would fit in and rest in there. And it's about halfway the rim down. And so he got the door put in there, and that's pretty, and I really like this hinge he made. Really heavy, overdid it, over-engineered it, but you know what? For the look we're going for, we really like it. So that's the first part. Now inside the base, he's got these little vents. So that worked real good. So there's vents in here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them for airflow. Inside, what he did for ease of cleaning, he went ahead and he made a plate, and it has I don't know, 2-inch risers in it. And then on top of that plate, we got just a piece of expanded metal. It fits on there like so, and that seems to work pretty good, holding the wood on there and such. And the top, what he did, same thing as he did on the bottom. He cut out a wedge where the door will fit up in there. And so then the door, or the top, sits on like so. And then the last piece, and I had one of these laying around the house. Just an old sewer grate lid or something, I don't know exactly what it is. But it fits right on like so, and now you got the perfect cooktop. So that's kind of what it looks like. Well, not kind of, that is what it looks like all put together and such. And let me get a fire built in it, and I'll show you how it works with some flame going in it. It's a great warmer. I'll just sit around and BS around it, play with the pups, do whatever you want to do it, but it's just, it worked out real. Okay, I got some charcoal, my charcoal starter going. We're going to go ahead and get a fire going here in the Ray Muchaca fire pit grill. I don't know what Daisy just got in her mouth, but I hope it wasn't alive at one time. So let's just get that started. Let me zoom in here real quick. We'll let that get started, get a fire, get some coals on, and then that's the introduction to my new little fire pit. Okay, I lost power, so I'm not sure if we got everything on here. But one of the advantages of having a pit like this is, let me get this cook surface off, is if you're just sitting around, you know, talking, having friends over, you can go ahead and feed the fire through the hole in the top of the wheel. Got a little piece in here. And I'm just thinking, that's an advantage. So let me get the grill back on there if it's not too hot. Holy freaking moly! Oh, you! Not made to take on and off when it's hot. Alright, we'll let the coals get ready. I'm going to throw some chicken on there, and that'll be it. We'll get this thing posted and give old Ray Machaca a shout out for him and his crew building this thing for me. Lots of heat coming from this, so let's, what I have here, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's got 2 chickens I cut up into pieces. I got Rico's Dead Horse Barbecue's paprika rub on it, and we're going to see how it goes tonight. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed me just showing you this pit. If you want to see how this chicken turns out, you're going to have to watch the barbecue grilling chicken video that's going to follow this one. Adios guys. Keep on smoking, man.